Hello everyone. How to make money with BBNaija in Nigeria in 2024 is what I am sharing with you today. How do you make money with BBNaija in Nigeria in the year 2024? BB Nigeria will begin on Sunday, July 28, 2024, just 2 to 3 days time. This season will run for 10 weeks with the finale on Sunday, October 6, 2024. That is when the final will hold. Big Brother Naija, also called BB Naija, has become one of the most popular reality TV shows in Nigeria and is attracting millions of viewers and followers. Its massive audience presents numerous opportunities for entrepreneurs and fans to make money. You are on to Dr. Olubenga Adetetun TV. Like this video and let's go on. Here is a guide on how to leverage BB Nigeria to generate income in 2024. Number one is social media influencing. That is the first one. Social media influencing is one way to make money from BB Nigeria in 2024. BB Nigeria generates a lot of buzz on social media by actively engaging with the contest and becoming a dedicated commentator or analyst. You can grow your following. Once you have a significant audience, you can monetize your social media presence through number one, sponsored posts. Brands may pay you to promote their products or services. Number two way is through affiliate marketing. You share affiliate links to products related to the show or to the contestants. The third way is through YouTube monetization. You create BB Nigeria related content such as episode reviews, contestant updates, and predictions, and monetize through YouTube ads. Number two is blogging and vlogging. Create a blog or YouTube channel dedicated to BB Nigeria content. You can generate income through number one, ad revenue. Use Google AdSense or other ad networks. Number two, through sponsored content. Collaborate with brands for sponsored posts and videos. Another way is through merchandising on sell BB Nigeria themed merchandise or other products. The third way to make money through this BB Nigeria that is coming up on Sunday is you organize BB Nigeria viewing parties. That's hosting viewing parties. So you organize viewing parties and then you charge on an entry fee. You can enhance the experience with food and drink sales, sell snacks, drinks, or even themed cocktails. Through this, you make extra money. Another way is through merchandise sales. Sell BB Nigeria themed items such as t-shirts, hats, and posters. Number four way you can make money through BB Nigeria this season is through betting. Several betting platforms offer BB Nigeria related bets, such as predicting the winner or eviction outcomes. If you have a good understanding of the show and its dynamics, you can place strategic bets to earn money. However, always bet responsibly. Number five way you can make money through this BB Nigeria coming up this July 28th is through event hosting and appearances. If you are well known in the BB Nigeria community, you can number one host events, be the MC for BB Nigeria themed events and parties, and you get paid. Then you can also appear at events through guest appearances. You get paid to make appearances at various functions. Why? People have known you from social media. Now, when you appear at that event physically, or when they put your name on the banner that you are going to come and you are there, you make the event to happen. So you get paid for that. So especially those related to BB Nigeria, you are on to Dr. Olubenga Adetetun TV. I want you to please go ahead and like this video. Number six way you can make money through this BB Nigeria is by creating fan pages and groups. Create and manage BB Nigeria fan pages or groups on social media platforms. Once you have a large following, you can, number one, sell advertising space. Allow brands to advertise on your page. Number two, promote affiliate links. Share affiliate links related to products fans might be interested in. The next thing you can do is organize paid contests, run contests, and charge an entry fee, offering BB Nigeria themed prizes. Number seven way you can make money through this BB Nigeria that is coming up is through content creation for media outlets. Write articles opinion pieces, or create video content for media outlets that cover BBNaija. Many platforms are looking for fresh and engaging content related to the show and are willing to pay contributors. So you can get how to get all this type of opportunity and then you can get paid. Another way, or the eighth way you can make money with BBNaija, is through podcasting. Start a BBNaija podcast where you discuss episodes, interview former contestants, and share your thoughts. You can monetize through number one, sponsorships. Get brands to sponsor your podcast or listener donations. Use platforms like Patreon for listener support. This is common and will pay you well if you're outside of Nigeria. Number nine, where you can make money on BBNaija is selling BBNaija related products. Identify products that BBNaija fans may be interested in and sell them online. These could include merchandise, BBNaija branded clothing, accessories, and decor items. It can also be digital products, create ebooks, guides, and or exclusive content related to BBNaija. Number 10 is to collaborate and to form partnerships. So collaborate with other BBNaija enthusiasts or influencers to create content, host events, or launch products. Partnerships can help you reach a wider audience and increase your earning potential. You are on to Dr. Olubengade Tutu TV. Like this video. Please, as other people are busy running up and down and just watching BBNaija for watching sake, you that are watching this video today, my fans, my subscribers, and you that come across this video, look at one of these 10 I've mentioned and see how you can be able to make money from it. I want you to like this video and I am going to see you in the next video. This video popping up right now is the next you need to watch. See you in the next one. Bye bye.